Welcome guys. In this video we'll take a look at the insert tab of PowerPoint. Now the first thing is new slide. I think you are already familiar with it, so I will leave this tab. Now the second thing here you will see is tables. Now you can easily create your tables and add your data to your tables. Okay, if I just click on tables, okay, you can see now if I just move my mouse, okay, you can see we can create tables. Now if you want 3 by 3 tables, just stop it here, and if you want 3 by 8, just increase the size. Okay, now if I just click here, you'll see it will create that table for us here. Next thing here you can do is you can increase the size of your table. Okay, if you want full screen, you can just increase it like this. Okay, another way to insert table is just click on the tables. Now here you will see insert table. Now if I just click on this insert table, it will ask me number of columns and number of rows. If I just insert 5 by 3, it will create 5 by 3 column. Okay, and now if you want, you can increase and decrease the size. Okay, and I think it's fine now. And if I just click anywhere in my table, I can add my data in my table. Okay, just click on table and add your data like this. Okay, now I'll delete this. Another way to insert table is, again, if I just click on table, to draw my own table. Okay, if I just click on draw table, I can draw my table here. Okay, now I can select any style from here. Okay, you have a bunch of styles. You'll find all this option with this insert table also. If I just click here and I draw 8 by 5 table, okay, you can see we also have this style and design option here. We can change the design of our table. Okay, we can increase or decrease the borders and do stuff like that. Okay, just click on no borders, you will see no borders here. If I just click on all borders, you can see we can add borders here, and again we can do all this thing to this table also. Okay, we can also add effect, we can add shadow to it, we can do lots of cool stuff. Okay, like this. Okay, now it does not look really good, so I will not add stuff like this. I will select none, and again in shadows I'll select none, and I will also remove border, no border. Same thing here, no border. Okay, I'll delete this. Again, if I just click on insert, the next thing here you'll see is picture. Now you can insert picture here. If I just click here, okay, now you can just select any picture and it will insert it here. Okay, you can resize your image here like this. Okay, like this. Okay, that's fine. The next option here you will see is online picture. Now you can browse online picture and insert it here. It is very similar. The next thing here you will see is screenshot. Now you can take a screenshot. If I just click here, it will ask me screen clipping. Okay, if I just click here, okay, as you can see, now I can take a screenshot from here. If I just select this area, it will select this area and take a screenshot of that area only. Okay, I will delete this. The next thing here you will see is photo album. If I just click here, okay, new photo album, I can add photo album. Okay, I will just click on file, disk. Okay, select this one. Again I will add another file. Okay, now it's up to you how many photos you added to this photo album, and then I will click on create. You can see now I created this photo album. Now if I just play this, you can see this is our photo album. Okay, other thing here you can do is you can screen record this. Okay, if I just click on screen recording, I can also record my screen here. Okay, if I just click on screen recording, you can see I can start my screen recording. You can also, in screen recording, you can also record audio, and if you want to record pointer, you can also record pointer. Okay, and you can also, if I just click on select area, I can select any area which I want to record. Okay, and if I just click on record, it will start recording. Okay, now the next thing, you can also insert audio. If I just click on this audio, You can record your audio, or you can import audio from your PC. Okay, I'll select this one. I will put this audio here. Okay, you can just put it here, and if I just play this right now, you can see we inserted this audio. Now we can play our audio like this. Okay, the next thing here you will see is you can insert video. If I just click here, you can insert online video. I will click on video on my PC and just go to the folder where you saved your video and select your video. Okay, now you can increase or decrease the size of your video. I will select full screen. Okay, and if I just again start from beginning, you can also select click on F5 to start this slideshow. You see, now here you can play your video. Once you have done, just move to the next slide like this. Okay, that's it for today. Okay, thank you for watching.